Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, with reference to the Ganga river system, consider the following pairs: name of rivers and melting point. First, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meeting point is Dev Prayag. Second, Dholi and Vishnu Ganga's meeting point is Karn Prayag. Third, Mandakini and Alaknanda's meeting point is Rudra Prayag. So which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? Option A 1 and 2 only, B 1, 2 and 3, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 2 and 3 only. So you can just write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option C 1 and 3 only. So the other tributaries of Alaknanda such as Pindar joins it at Karnprayag, while Mandakini or Kali Ganga meets it at Rudraprayag. The Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar. Hence, pair 3 is correctly matched. Pair 1 is also correctly matched, while pair 2 is not correctly matched. So you should prepare this river system from standard sources, from maps. So this is very important from prelims exam point of view. Every year UPSC asks question about this river system, so you should not leave this topic. So this was all about question number 1. Here is question number 2. A violently rotating column of air touching the ground, usually attached to the base of a thunderstorm, is known as option A tornado, B whirlpool, C storm surge, option D tsunami. So you can mention your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option A tornado. So a tornado is a violently rotating column of air touching the ground, usually attached to the base of a thunderstorm. Tornadoes are nature's most violent storms. So this was all about question number 2. So here is question number 3. With reference to acidic lava, consider the following statements. First, these lavas are highly viscous with a high melting point. Second, these lavas are dark colored, rich in iron and magnesium, but poor in silica. Third, they flow out of the vent with a loud explosion. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 2 and 3 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So you can mention your answer. The correct answer of this question is option C 1 and 3 only. So acidic lavas, they are light colored, of low density and have a high percentage of silica. They flow slowly and seldom travel far before solidifying. The resultant cone is therefore steep sided, hence statement 2 is not correct, while statement 1 and 3 is correct. So you can read about lava in a detailed manner from standard sources. This is all about question number 3. Here is question 4. With reference to the dry deciduous forests, consider the following statements. First, they are the most widespread forests in India. Second, the important species are teak, axlewood, rosewood, red cedars. Palas, Amaltas, Laurel, etc. So which of the statements given above is or are not correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So the correct answer, the not correct answer of this question is option A, one only. So in question not correct is asked, so you have to carefully read the question as well. So the answer is option A, one only. So tropical most deciduous forests are the most widespread forests in India. Hence statement 1 is not correct, while statement 2 is absolutely correct about dry deciduous forests. So there are different types of forest like evergreen forest, tropical evergreen forest, dry deciduous forest, montane forests. So likewise you can read about these forests from standard sources. So these are this is very important topic from UPSC exam point of view. So this was all about question number 4. Here is question 5. Recently, red-eared slider, a turtle species, was in news. Consider the following statements with reference to it. First, it is a major invasive species of turtle. Second, this species is naturally found in India. So which of the following statements are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So the correct answer of this question is option A, one only, while second statement is incorrect. So second statement is incorrect because red-eared slider, also called as the red-eared terrapin, is an American breed of turtles widely spread across the USA and North Mexico. Hence statement 2 is not correct. So this was about a turtle species which was recently in the news. So you should prepare geography from current affairs perspective as well. So this is all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.